161. Put something together. Meaning, assemble.
Example, I have to put the crib together before the baby arrives.
162. Put up with someone or something. Meaning, tolerate.
Example, I don't think I can put up with 3 small children in the car.
163. Put something on. Meaning, put clothing or accessories on your body.
Example, don't forget to put on your new earrings for the party.
164. Run into someone or something. Meaning, meet unexpectedly.
Example, I ran into an old school friend at the mall.
165. Run over someone or something. Meaning, drive a vehicle over a person or thing.
Example, I accidentally ran over your bicycle in the driveway.
166. Run over or through something. Meaning, rehearse, review.
Example, let's run over these lines one more time before the show.
167. Run away. Meaning, leave unexpectedly, escape.
Example, the child ran away from home and has been missing for 3 days.
168. Run out. Meaning, have none left.
Example, we ran out of shampoo so I had to wash my hair with soap.
169. Send something back. Meaning, return, usually by mail.
Example, my letter got sent back to me because I used the wrong stamp.
170. Set something up. Meaning, arrange, organize.
Example, our boss set a meeting up with the president of the company.